Hi guys, welcome to my brand new channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make corner bookmarks. They look like this. To get started, you need a piece of paper, a square piece of paper. You connect two sides to look like this. Then you get this one flap to the bottom. After you've done that, you get this corner to the top. You do the same thing with the other one. After you've done that, after you've made a pocket, then you put flaps inside this. That's how you make them. And this is my corner book. Hope you like this video. I also sell 2 bookmarks for $1. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.